Corncraft and learn how to say corn in Anishinaabe Moan Algonquin. Kwe, Diane Adijnakas. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make corn on the cob craft using pony beads and pipe cleaners. So the colors that we have today for our pony beads is gold, which is Ozawa Shonya, and then yellow, which is Ozawa, and then white, which is Waba, and then I also have green pipe cleaners, which is Ashkabagande, and gold pipe cleaners as well. So that's how you say the colors of the materials that I'm going to be using today. So the word for corn is mandamin. And if you were going to say a corn stalk, it would be mandaminushk for a corn stalk that the corn cobs grow on. Now let's get to our craft. Okay, first I'm going to get you to get 3 either yellow or gold pipe cleaners, and we're going to just put them in an X first and then twist them around each other so that they're secure. I want to make a really full looking cob of corn, so I'm going to add a 3rd pipe cleaner, and I'm going to make it look like a star now, and then I'm going to twist it around again like this. And then we're going to start adding our beads to each piece of pipe cleaner. So I'm going to add some yellow, some Ozawa first. And I picked 3 different colors because I wanted my cob of corn to kind of look like peaches and cream. So I'm not really making any kind of pattern. I'm just putting them on all different, however I'm picking them out of the bowl, actually. And so we'll keep going. I'll show you how far we have to go. Add another gold, Ozawa Shonya, and then a yellow Ozawa, and another white Waba, about 2 more beads, and this one will be done. There we go. So I'm gonna do the rest of them, and then I'll show you what to do next. So I'm working now on my 4th string, and then we're gonna go over the colors again. So white is Waba, yellow is Ozawa, and gold is Ozawa Shonya. So I'm going to finish this off and do my next 2, and then I will show you how to finish your corn cob. So I'm just going to put on my last white bead, Waba, and so now I'm going to show you all of them have their beads on. So now I'm going to bend them all together like this and squish them into place. And this can be a little bit challenging to get them all to kind of fall in line. And then you should be able to wiggle them so they kind of fit in together. Oh, I'm still wiggling. Wiggle, wiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And then once you get them tight enough and together, then you can twist all of your pipe cleaner tops, because that will kind of work as a stem for you to add the husk or leaf part that covers and protects the cob of corn while it's growing. So then once we get this all twisted, we're going to use this as a stem, and we are going to make the leaf or the husk part of the corn of the cob to attach to the stem to make our craft complete. And the husk is called Shigosh Kajigan. Shigosh Kajigan. I think I still need to practice that word myself. So I picked 2 different colors of green to make the husks. So all of that we're gonna do is I'm gonna make some 2 longer ones, and I'm going to just pinch it at the top, fold it in half and give it a pinch and maybe a little like half twist. And then I'm going to bring it to the bottom of my cob of corn, and then I'm just gonna twist the green, one green one way, and then the other end of the green the opposite way on what is left on our corn. And then there's one leaf. So now I'm gonna try that with a lighter green now, doing the same thing, doing a little pinch at the end and a twist, and then kind of opening it up a little bit so it looks like a husk leaf. And then I'm grabbing my cob of corn and I'm putting it on like this, and then I'm going to twist again with one green one way, and with the other I'm going to twist the opposite way. So now it's already starting to look a little bit more like a cob of corn with husk leaves. Got 2 different color leaves on there, which makes it look very fancy. And then I am going to do another dark green. So pinch and twist. And with your fingers, kind of make your pipe cleaner bow out a little bit. And then I want this one to be a little bit shorter, so I'm going to hold it down a little lower on the cob of corn, maybe about halfway. And then I'm gonna twist it around the one end one way, and then again wrapping the opposite direction. So here is the cob of corn all finished with its corn husks and beads, nice peaches and cream. And it's a fun little craft that takes about probably 15 to 20 minutes to complete in total. And again, once again, the word for corn is mandamin. Majashin. Corn, mandamin. Stalk of corn, mandaminashk. Corn husk, shigosh kajigan. Yellow, Ozawa. Gold, Ozawa Jonia. White, Waba. Green, Ashkabagande. Chimigwich, thank you for watching.